Most Americans don't know it, but the Federal Reserve Bank is a private banking corporation. Because it's a corporation, its list of stockholders are available publicly. Oh, and they're a closed corporation. They do not trade their stock publicly. The banks that own the Federal Reserve are as follows. At the top are the Rothschild Bank of London, the Rothschild Bank of Berlin, very cozy, Lazard Brothers Bank of Paris, Israel Moses Schiff Bank of Italy, Warburg Bank of Hamburg, Germany, and Amsterdam, Kuhn Loeb Bank of New York, Lehman Brothers Bank of New York, Goldman Sachs Bank of New York, Chase Manhattan Bank of New York. Wait a minute. Lehman Brothers and Goldman Sachs have both been cited for being major causes of this economic downturn. And now our government is giving them what? A $700 billion bailout? Wait a minute. Lehman Brothers and Goldman Sachs are the Federal Reserve. They are stockholders of the Federal Reserve. They are instruments. They are representatives. They are owners of the Federal Reserve. The Federal Reserve pretends that they don't know them. They're separate entities. We're being lied to. This is a setup. They don't need a bailout. This bailout is BS. What they're doing is they're taking more money out of the economy to worsen the depression, because the bank makes money during a depression like they did in 1929. When you lose your home, your property, your building, the bank gains it. They gain more wealth and more power and more control. And that's what they're doing. This bank bailout, it's not a bailout, it's a ripoff. Come on. Lehman Brothers and Goldman Sachs are stockholders in the Federal Reserve. This is not a coincidence. We're being ripped off. And they're doing it openly because people don't know.